Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to share your Squarespace website even if it is not published or live. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself and this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all your websites that you have and that you own on your Squarespace account. So guys, as you can see, we currently have only one website called tutorials, and this is the website we'll be using for today's video. So what you want to do first is go ahead and open up the website in the page by clicking the website right here, and now we have successfully opened up our website. And as you can see at the left side of the screen guys, you have a couple options that you can use for editing your website, such as pages, design, commerce, and so on and so on. We do not want to use these options. What we want to go ahead is click on the second to last option right here called settings. So guys, go ahead and click on settings. And as you can see here guys, if you go into the first option right here, which is called site availability, you can see that there are two options that you can use if you do not have a premium membership and you cannot publish the website. You can either make it private or you can make it password protected. So guys, if you want to share it with your friends for them to see the website before it is published, then you want to make the site password protected right here. As you can see, check this option and then put in your password. After putting in your password guys, just click save, and now your site will be password protected. So go ahead and copy the link of your site right here in the top page. This is our link, and you want to go, let's say we want to enter it from another browser, and now as you can see here guys, your friends when viewing the website will need to enter a password. So go ahead and enter the password that you have. And now guys, after entering the password, if they enter the website, they will now be able to view your website normally. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.